Hey, Scott Grove here from Imagine Grove, and I want to show you how you can do a really easy way of veneering an edge to make kitchen doors. I'm here in Chicago. My best friend Greg, who's got the big C, and I figured I'd come and help him finish his kitchen for him. So he's going to do these doors with Kamiko. I'll show you what that looks like. But in the meantime, we're just kind of throwing together some cherry doors, and we've got some finished cabinet doors. So what we're doing is just cherry veneer plywood, and instead of doing a veneer edge that's a little vulnerable, you have a sharp corner. So what we're doing is we ordered some 16th inch veneer from Certainly Wood. Check them out. And there's a whole pile of it right there. We ripped that into 1-inch strips. So this is that right here. And now we have put this down, and what I want to show you is how I glue these edges on. If you don't have an edge bander, normally people would like lay bar clamps down and lay the doors down, but I think in technical terms that's a pain in the ass. So the way I do it is, one, I use Tight Bond Speed Set, 15-minute clamp, and you can move on for initial tack. And we don't even have a roller, so this is a finger job here. Set this on. And the beauty of this system is the fact that this door is so tall, I don't need as many clamps because the pressure sort of goes down at 45 degrees. So I can get away with simply 2 clamps on this, and the pressure will be evenly distributed by the time it makes it down to the bottom of the door, if that makes any sense. One sort of trick is getting these doors clamped so they're perfectly vertical. I found that you take the top and lean it out a little bit, squeeze this down, and that works really well. So I can do this edge, and as you see, we got a bunch here. On this, all you really need is sort of a bench, and you can work your way around. Got a bench down here with a bunch, and this works really, really well. You can clamp one, come around to the next one, and by the time you've got one edge on your set of doors, you go back to the original, turn it. In the next video, I'll show you how we trim this up and flush it up. But great system, really fast, and it gives you a 16th inch hardwood edge. So obviously in this case it's cherry, so that's the domestic that you can find, and very fast and gives you a little more durable edge. So hope that helps. Like, subscribe, share, say hi to Greg, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.